If you live in the United States or Canada, you have probably seen both NordVPN and ExpressVPN come up whenever people talk about online privacy. They are two of the biggest names in the VPN world, and for good reason. Both are fast, both are secure, and both promise to keep your data safe from trackers, advertisers, and anyone else trying to peek into your activity. But which one is truly the safest and most reliable for users in North America? Let's break it down in simple, human terms. NordVPN has built a strong reputation for combining speed with deep security. It is based in Panama, which means it operates outside of data-sharing alliances like the Five Eyes and 10 Eyes. That alone gives it a privacy advantage. NordVPN uses top-grade encryption, its own secure protocol called NordLinks, and extra features like double VPN, which routes your traffic through two separate servers for an added layer of protection. You also get threat protection, a built-in blocker that shields you from ads, malware, and trackers even when the VPN is off. For users in the US and Canada, NordVPN has an excellent network of local servers, so you can connect to nearby cities for strong speeds while still staying private. It supports up to 10 devices at once, which is great for families or people who want to protect all their gadgets with one account. NordVPN is also known for fast connections, important if you stream, work remotely, or game online. Now let's talk about ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is based in the British Virgin Islands, another privacy-friendly region. It uses AES 256-bit encryption and a custom-built lightweight protocol designed for speed and stability. One standout feature is its trusted server technology, servers that run entirely on RAM rather than hard drives. That means every reboot automatically wipes all data, leaving nothing behind to log or recover. ExpressVPN is famous for being simple and reliable. It has a clean, intuitive app interface that makes it easy to connect even if you are new to VPNs. It works smoothly across computers, phones, smart TVs, and even routers. If you want something that just works without much setup, ExpressVPN is excellent. Its server coverage is wide and consistent, with strong performance across North America. So which one should you choose? If your priority is advanced security features, faster speeds, and a lower long-term price, NordVPN is likely the better fit. It gives you extra layers of protection and still keeps your browsing smooth and quick. If you prefer a simpler, easy-to-use interface, strong privacy by default, and a polished, reliable experience, ExpressVPN may be your best match. It is perfect for users who want set-it-and-forget-it security that always works. Both are excellent choices for US and Canadian users who take privacy seriously. NordVPN gives you more tools and better performance for power users. ExpressVPN gives you effortless protection with premium reliability. Either way, you will be browsing, streaming, and working online with the peace of mind that your data stays yours and your privacy stays intact.